everyone, welcome back to my channel Dental Cafe. Today I am going to discuss about the revised pattern of NEET MDS exam. If you are preparing for NEET MDS, you must watch this video till the end. First and the most important thing is that before starting anything in life, we should know the basic, or we can say ABC of that before jumping directly on Z. Exactly, same happens with the study. We must know what is the pattern of exam, marking schemes, type of question asked, how many questions are there in paper, and etc. etc. If you are not aware of all these, then your condition is same as that of this chimpanzee. You will also knock on your head. So it is advisable for the students who are preparing for NEET MDS, start preparation only after comprehending the pattern. Otherwise, the end result is failure. Hey, don't cry, be relaxed and calm. I'm here to clear your doubts related to NEET exam. So let's begin the video. Highlights of NEET MDS exam pattern. Mode of examination is computer-based exam or CBT. Duration of exam is 3 hours, that is 180 minutes. We have to complete our paper within 180 minutes. Section in paper, we have two parts, part A and part B. So paper is divided into two parts. Language of the paper is English language. Total number of question 240. Types of question asked is multiple choice question, means we have 4 options A, B and C and D. 3 are wrong options and 1 is the correct answer. So we have to take the correct answer. Marking scheme in NEET MDS exam. Candidate should be clear about their doubts regarding the allocation of marks for NEET MDS exam. Marking scheme is for correct answer, you will get 4 marks. For incorrect answer, 1 mark will be deducted. For unattempted question, no mark will be deducted or given. So candidate should be very sure about their answer. Section wise exam pattern of NEET MDS. It comprises 2 parts, part A and part B. Under part A, we have following subjects: general surgery, general medicine, pharmacology, DADH, that is dental anatomy and histology. From general surgery and general medicine, you will get 15 questions from each, and from pharmacology and DADH, you will get 14 questions from each. Then microbiology and pathology, biochemistry and physiology, anatomy and embryology. From these subjects, you will get 14 questions from each. Means total we have 100 questions in part 1. Basically, we can say all the basic subjects are under part 1. Part B, we have following subjects under part B: public health dentistry, periodontology, maxillofacial and oral surgery, prosthodontics, endodontics and conservative. From all these subjects, you will get 14 questions from each subject. Then we have orthodontics, periodontics, oral medicine and radiology, oral microbiology and pathology, dental material. From all these subjects, you will get 14 questions from each. Mean total of part B is 140. Basically, you can see that all the dental subjects are included under part B. So the grand total of part A and part B is 240 questions. Mean total we have 240 questions in the exam. Now I think all the doubts regarding NEET MDS exam pattern and marking schemes are clear. And yeah, comment yes if you want to know important topics of each subject for NEET MDS. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Thank you for watching.